refusing to compromise on quality and reliability. This aftermarket engineering and manufacturing company supports repair, rebuild, and performance updates of internal combustion engines. Trusted since 2002 for aftermarket Porsche engine parts and advanced engineering solutions, their work begins here in Momence, Illinois. Meet LN Engineering.
LN Engineering is primarily a manufacturer for automotive parts for the aftermarket. However, we do engineering, design, and manufacturing for other sectors as well. One of the things that makes LN Engineering unique is that not only do we manufacture parts, but we also use our own parts in serial engine remanufacturing, and also are active in the automotive aftermarket, providing support to our customers, both online and through on-site training.
At LN Engineering, we use the latest in CAD, CAM, and metrology. We also are a state-of-the-art CNC facility in both mill and in turned parts. We have the capabilities of doing low-run production, and we also have the capabilities of doing serial production. So we do offer those same services to outside clients. Because we are automotively focused, we do have the capabilities of an automotive machine shop services, such as honing, grinding, balancing, polishing, inspection and failure analysis, as well as refurbishing old engine components. For quality control, we are ISO 9001 compliant. We have all calibrated tools and calibrated equipment. We also have advanced technology such as a CMM, and we also have a wide array of precision measuring tools that you just don't find in automotive and other general machine shops. First thing we need to do is we need to identify the problem, identify the need. The second thing then is that we have our technical director, Jake Raby. He sits down and studies that problem a little bit more and figures out what is needed. The next process then is we go through and prototype. And depending on what prototype we need, we either make that prototype here with our 3D printer or with one of our CNC machines. Next is the testing phase. That testing process will last as long as it needs to. We may have to go through different iterations of those prototypes. Once that testing is completed and the design phase is completed, then it will go into production.
LN Engineering supports the automotive aftermarket community through outreach. We write articles, technical papers, do research, and publish that online. And we also are involved actively in online groups so that we can answer questions, see what problems are out there, and how we can tailor our solutions for our customers. What makes LN Engineering the world's greatest is that we're not here just to make parts. We're here to deliver solutions. But it's not only just that. We want to do the best we possibly can. There's no point to carrying out a task if you can't do it to the best of your ability and do it better than everybody else.